What's up, crafters? My name is Antonio Molina, and on this YouTube channel we are just about to start an awesome learning adventure. I'm from Dominican Republic and I have like 10 years customizing products. That gives me the experience that I look forward to sharing with you. As you already know, my first language is in English, but Spanish. However, I promise that I will do whatever it takes to make our communication smooth and successful. Another thing that you might need to know about me is that I have an academy here in my country, Dominican Republic, where I've been teaching people about how to create their own customization product businesses like stamping shirts, stamping cups, and so on. If you need to start mastering your Cricut machine, if you need to start mastering your silhouette cameo machine, or maybe if you want to begin sublimating products, listen to me, this is the channel you need to subscribe to, down below. What I mean is this: are you willing to put your creativity up to the sky? Let's go!